Hello, Internet.
And welcome to Newton Bird Law Bird Newton 3.
You know, I always dreamed of being Tony Hawk, but I'm a Doug. And my name is Chad. Maybe one day I'll be able to find a cool, awesome skateboard with fire patterns. Would you look at that? A cool, awesome skateboard with fire patterns. I don't know how to skateboard.
That's very funny.
Here we have a bird. He needs force to move because he's at rest. Now he's at rest again. He's still okay. He's moving again. Okay. So he needs force to move because he's at rest. And Newton's first law is an object of motion stays at motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. So he's being moved currently. Wow, he's so talented. He's so talented. Okay. Here is another example of Newton's first law of physics. You see he stopped because there was something that acted upon his force? There was another pedestrian? This pedestrian acted as a roadblock and applied force against his force that made him stop moving. Yeah, that's it. Where you going, man?
He just wants a chance to leave us. If you leave him alone, he won't leave.
He's like, what's all that stuff over there?
And gluttonous.
Say it.
I'm so fat and gluttonous.
Can't even fly.
Shame him for not being able to fly.
Shame.
Oh, it's a bug.
You know, I always dreamed of being an Angry Bird. You know, like that red one, and Chuck, the yellow one. I just really want to fly through the air, but I have little nubby wings. I can't go anywhere. Oh, look at that! It's a wishing star. Maybe wishes do come true.
This is Newton's second law. See, this big bird, he needs lots of force if he wants to fly. Lots of force, because he's heavy. So he has more mass, so he has more force so if he wants to go up. But this little bird, on the other hand, he has like no mass at all. So he has like he has like no, just like throw it across the street. No. He needed no force because he had no mass. He'll come back eventually. Little man need no force. Big man need lots of force. POV your Ender Dragon.
Ender Dragon perspective.
POV your Ender Dragon.
No, pedestrian.
Let me turn this. Oh.
Mommy, when we get in the ice cream store?
Oh, we're almost there, sweetie. We're gonna be there in a little bit.
You know, I had a dream where we hit a pedestrian. I had a dream last night where we hit a pedestrian and died.
So, for Newton's third law, we have this incident happening. So, oh my god. So what just happened is that family was in a car driving and they hit that pedestrian. And that pedestrian weighs like 1 billion pounds, so it applied so much force back into the car that they flew away. And it was like equal force. So when the car hit the pedestrian, when the car hit the pedestrian, they applied equal force in opposite directions, and it made them fly away. Yeah. Pretend this is a bird. Okay. So this bird is applying equal force to stay in the air as gravity is pushing onto it, so it could stay floating like that. That's because Newton's third law is for every action there's an equal opposite reaction. Hamilton. So the action of him flapping his wings is keeping him in the air as gravity is putting equal force down upon him. But that's just 3 laws of Newton's law. Thanks for watching. We're so cringy.
Go, bud, go! You can do it! Your dreams will come true!
I gotta follow it so it doesn't hit any cars. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I will! He's gonna hit the grass. No, you won't. Yeah, I ripped him in the head. Wow! I'm going back. She's dead! Go home. He's going towards the blue side. How do you play?